Today, we'll be covering two critical stories in the realm of cybercrime and cybersecurity. So, let's dive right in.
A man has been arrested in Cavite for allegedly blackmailing his ex-boyfriend with explicit photos and videos, demanding sexual favors in return. The suspect, identified as alias Jericho, was apprehended during an entrapment operation conducted by the Cavite Provincial Anti-Cybercrime Response Team, Regional Anti-Cybercrime Unit 4, Abacor Component City Police Station.
According to the report, the victim, alias Gab, had previously sought help from barangay official in an attempt to settle the matter. However, when alias Jericho continued to send Gab's explicit materials to his friends and family, Gab alerted the authorities. The entrapment operation was set up in a hotel in Barangay Maligsay 2, leading to Jericho's arrest and the confiscation of his cell phone. Jericho now faces charges for violating the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism of 2009, as well as grave coercion imposed in relation to the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. This case serves as sobering reminder of the dangers of digital exploitation and the importance of cybersecurity in protecting our private life.
From the local cybercrime to international cyber threats, our next story involves a joint warning from the UK, US, and South Korea about North Korean hackers attempting to steal nuclear and military secrets. The hacking group, known by names Andaren and Onyx Slit, has been targeting governments and private companies across the globe.
The group's goal is to obtain classified information related to defense, aerospace, nuclear, and engineering sectors to advance Pyongyang's military nuclear programs. These hackers have been seeking sensitive information ranging from uranium processing to the development of tanks, submarines, and torpedoes.
These hackers are still targeting Air Force-based NASA and defense companies that counter espionage activity, intimidation, and ransomware operation, particularly against U.S. healthcare entities. The National Cybersecurity Center in the UK has emphasized the importance of the protecting sensitive information and intellectual property, especially within critical infrastructure.
This latest warning is part of the broader series of alerts about North Korean cyber activities, with some of the most notorious incidents such as the 2014 Sony Pictures hack link into country. It's a stark reminder of the ongoing cyber warfare and to need the heightened vigilance in the face of such threats.
That wraps up tonight's cyber news. These stories underscore the ever-present and evolving nature of cybercrime threats, whether on a personal or global scale. Please stay informed and stay protected.
Thank you for joining us. Again, I am Christian Asayaw.
I'm Amity M. Abela.
And I'm Cherry Nimo.
And I'm Mary Ann Antonella. We'll see you next time on Cyber News. Good morning again and have a good day.